I'm excited today to show you this house that is up near the Mountain Golf Course in Incline Village, Lake Tahoe, Nevada. And one of the exciting things about this is it's actually a fourplex. But when you're inside it, it feels amazing. So it doesn't feel like a fourplex. I mean, this background is great. The setting is awesome. The Mountain Golf Course is right there. I'm looking at the putting green. There's a little creek right here. And this 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, I say condo just to keep it simple. Condo is spectacular. I think you're really gonna love it. And what's exciting about it is priced really well. So it's $1,795,000. So if you're looking for your weekend getaway, this is an awesome place. So let's go check it out. So before we go in the house, really quickly, I want to show you the lake house rules. So this is super important about living in Tahoe. Wake up late, go on a hike, catch a fish, take a nap, sit by the fire. We don't have fireflies here, but maybe you have a cocktail, repaint that, have a cocktail, wish on the star. So that is the Lake Tahoe attitude, and I love this. I'm going to try and find one of these because I think that is perfect. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe below, and you'll be the first one to get notification of when Tahoe Tony, puts out a new video about moving to Incline Village, Lake Tahoe, Nevada. So my name's Tahoe Tony. My last name is Tuoto. My Nevada broker salesman's license number is 144620. And every day, my team and I get emails, phone calls, and text messages from people just like you want to get more information about living the Tahoe lifestyle. So if you're looking to do that, send me a text, email me, or give me a phone call, and I'll make sure that your move to Incline Village, Lake Tahoe, Nevada is the best move you ever had. So we're at the entryway here. We've got a nice level driveway with a 2-car garage, so access is really easy. We are up in the, I would say in the upper mid elevation. So you're gonna get more snow here than you do downtown Incline Village, but it's not gonna be massive amounts of snow like you do up in Polo. So a nice little entryway, I like this. There is one thing important about this house I'm gonna tell you. It's a split level house. So if you're not good with stairs, this is not the house for you. But if you're young and robust and you think stairs will help keep you younger, this is a great little house for you, so let's go check it out. So this is the great one. Isn't it lovely? We've got taken in all the trees outside. We've got nice use of windows. Beautiful little cozy Sunken living room, right? So this was built in 1979. Sunken living room was all the rage, but I love what they did here. They've got some nice big couches, and the great news is the furnishings are negotiable, and the furnishings here are adorable. This handmade table is awesome. So we've got a nice gas fireplace here, very comfortable room. We've got the deck is right out here. That's where I started the video with the barbecue on one side, a nice dining table out there. And you know how I feel about eating outside of decks and sometimes spectacular. Over here, we got the dining room. And again, another handmade table is just fantastic. I love it. So having a nice dining room, I like having the family style dinners here. I think it's great. You can eat inside or outside. Awesome. And then we come over here to the galley kitchen. So galley kitchen, right? This is the definition of a galley kitchen. I love it. You got a refrigerator here. You've got dual ovens, your pantry behind me, and the glass in the pantry. I love that. They mix that in with the cabinets here. It's really nice. They've got gas burner stove. So everything's right here. Good use of counter space. I like that. And it opens up to the living room. So if you've got guests over, you're not gonna feel like you're in the back room if you're in the kitchen. I really love that. So having an open kitchen to the great room is spectacular. So nice room. They've got slate floor, so it looks bomb-proof. They've got a little, I'm gonna call this not a breakfast nook, but an end nook of something. You guys let me know, what is this called? Somebody who knows more than me, please tell me what you would call this. But I love a little desk area. You could eat casually here, or if you've got your laptop out, you can do some work. It's a very nice, comfortable, not too big, not too small room with some really great accented furniture. It's fantastic. So next we're gonna go upstairs. There's a couple more bedrooms and a bath, and then the master bedroom is all the way in the top. So we come up a half a flight of stairs, and we have a half bath, which you would use to service the great little living room area. And we have another bedroom here, which is a nice sized bedroom. They got 2 double beds in there, or twin beds. That's really great. We have another really nice big bedroom over here. The laundry room is here, and we have a beautiful bathroom here, which makes me think I might want to move this door, put a door here, and make this an ensuite guest bedroom, possibly. But hey, whatever you want to do. There's a nice big bedroom here. We could check it out. Nice use of light back here. So really lit up bedroom. We've got mirrors on the closet door here, which is great. Basic bedroom. Very simple. Very easy, right? And this is the other bedroom that I'm thinking it's almost good enough to be like a master bedroom, but you've got a master bedroom upstairs, so you don't need to do that. But really good size room here. Again, we've got double windows. These are west facing, kind of southwest facing, so you're going to get good lighting here. Big enough room to put the TV in. Mirrored closets again. For your convenience, we've got a washer and dryer on this floor. Make it simple, right? The full bath, which is a really nice bath. Tub and shower here. You know, I feel like tub and shower. You always gotta have a tub available, right? So you can wash the little ones, the little dogs, or little kids, whatever it is. But again, the slate floor runs throughout. I like the theme here. And if this was me, I'd put a door here, but that's me. So now we're gonna go upstairs one more, half a flight to go to the upstairs master bedroom. So we are in the master bedroom suite. We're in the very top of the house now, and I love they've got like a little office here, which is great. So many people work from anywhere now, which I love. That's why so many people are coming to Incline Village, Lake Tahoe, Nevada, to take care of the great lifestyle. You can work here, then what that sign say down there? Take a nap, catch a bear, no, go fishing, something. Anyway, but really convenient to have that here in your master bedroom. Nice size master bedroom. They've got a beautiful gas fireplace. Keep things romantic. They've got this privacy with these great views of the trees, the golf courses down there. And then they've got a little nook here behind the bed, which I really love. And I'm very happy they don't have their sexy pictures. I've been in houses, and let me tell you, it's very embarrassing when you go into somebody else's master bedroom, they got that sexy picture of their spouse up on the bed. I'd be like, what are you doing? People are coming to live your house. So as the picture, you can see it's with fruit and stuff. I really like that. It's very G-rated, so I don't feel bad and embarrassed if I'm shooting the video and there's a sexy picture of somebody up there. So we got to walk upstairs to go. Remember, I said about the stairs on the south. Lots of stairs, going to keep you in good shape. Go upstairs to the master bathroom. So one of the cool things about this bathroom is there's a lot of mirrors, so you can see what you look like. We've got double mirrors here, so you address. It's really bad if you're a videographer and you don't like to be in the shot, because my poor videographer Joseph is like, there's no way I can shoot this, Tony, without being in there. But anyway, nice bathroom. We've got dual sinks here. Actually, even privacy, which I've never seen before, but that's kind of nice. So if one of you is messy and the other isn't, I'm like, this is my clean side. Your side's messy. I don't have to look at it. But we've got a nice shower, a nice giant cannonball-sized hot tub. Check this out. Isn't that awesome? I could never have that because I'd want to, after a night of drinking, go in there and do a cannonball or something. My wife would kick me out. So I'm glad I don't have one, but hopefully you would enjoy that. But again, nice mirrors with a closet here. It's great. It's a beautiful bathroom. Now this is the fun part. This is a surprise I have for you, because normally you're like, okay, Tony, we've seen the two bedrooms with the ensuite one, and then the master bedroom, the great room, the beautiful decks. But what do we have now? Well, let me tell you, we have the bonus room. The bonus fun room. Again, sunken bonus room, right? Got to have that. It's awesome down here. Big enough for a pool table. I just love having a room where you can entertain with friends. You've got a wine cooler down here. You could probably make this like a little mini bar with your cocktails and everything. Good sized room, obviously big enough for a pool table. You could do beer pong. I know people do that. Walk back here. It's even more exciting. We've got a full bath with a steam shower, which is great. Gets a little dry, not very humid in Tahoe, which makes it so nice. But in the wintertime, it's very dry. So when you go in the steam shower, your skin just goes, you feel like you're in Turks and Caicos or something. And then over here we have, of course, we have the sauna, right? Very big in the 70s. But you know how I feel about saunas? I think they did a study that people that use sauna 4 times a week live 40% longer than the average person. So love having a sauna. I love that it's not being used as storage. It's actually a sauna. Most houses are just using it as storage. And then we'll get another bonus, as if this room isn't bonus enough. We've got a really nice deck here in the shade. So if it's a little hot in the afternoon, you come hang out down here. Or if you wanted to turn this into an extra bedroom, you can do that too. So lots of great options here. There's a little stream out there, a grassy area. You can walk over there and putt. And the mountain golf course practice putting area. The mountain golf course is right there. If you haven't played the mountain golf course, it's awesome. I played it last Thursday night. We did the 9-in-1 where you play 9 holes, best ball. So you didn't have to be a good golfer. And then we did the wine taste. It was Ferrari Carano. So it was a 4-course wine tasting with food. It was a really fun night. And then it rained a little bit just as we were leaving. So Mother Nature saying, time to go home. It was great. So let's go check out the garage and we'll close it out. So another great bonus of this place is you get a 2-car garage. And this is amazing. Having a garage in Tahoe is so great. I get so jealous when you're on a snowy day and you spend like 15 minutes clearing the snow off your car and you see somebody drive around town with a perfectly clean car. You're like, that person has a garage. So you get to be that person with this 2-car garage. I love it. You got your water heater here, which is great. Easy to work on if something goes wrong. You've got rooms for shelves and projects. They've got the electric bikes here, which are great. Electric bikes cruise around Incline Village because you're up here. Getting down to the beach is easy. Getting back up is not. So having that electric boost of power is going to make it so much easier. So if you're looking for a weekend getaway or even a place to live full-time, we met the neighbors. They're super nice. They live here full-time and they travel a lot. That's why they love living here because they can just close up their house. They don't have to worry about it. The outside and everything is all taken care of. They just go travel. They were just telling about their trip to the Galapagos Islands. They were there for 6 weeks. I'm so jealous. I want to do that trip. It's be fun. So a great place if you want to live full-time and you can just take off, or if you just want a weekend getaway. 685 Wilson Way is a great buy. I love it. And I think you could be very comfortable here. And again, furnishings are negotiable. And so if you're looking to make that move to Incline Village, Lake Tahoe, Nevada, go ahead and subscribe below. Send me an email, shoot me a text message, or give me a phone call, and I guarantee your move to Incline Village, Lake Tahoe, Nevada will be the best move you've ever had.